Hello friends, I'm presenting Solidbond SB-1, a high-performance polymer-modified adhesive from Premium Ceramics, one of India's leading premium tile companies. SB-1 is designed for vitrified tiles, mosaics, and natural stones. It's ideal for both interior and exterior floor applications, including tile-on-tile installations and interior wall fixing.
It is versatile for multiple surfaces, engineered for a wide range of tile materials from vitrified tiles and mosaics to natural stones. And its high bond strength and slip resistance property delivers exceptional grip with anti-slip properties, ensuring precise tile alignment every time. It has extended 30-minute open time, gives professionals the flexibility they need for seamless and efficient installation. And its low VOC is safer working environment formulated with reduced emissions for a cleaner, healthier workspace. That our adhesive provides durable floor performance built for lasting strength and stability on both interior and exterior floors, including tile-on-tile surfaces. Solidbond SB-1 Premium Tile Adhesive by Premium Ceramics, a premium tile company of India. Made in India, made for world.